Hello and welcome to Broadcast Beat's Pre-IBC show coverage. Today we have a very special guest, Nina Berfelde of Blackcam. How are you, Nina?
Hi Ryan, I'm fine. I hope you're doing well too. I'm glad to get the chance to do this interview with you.
All right, Nina, if you could tell us what Blackcam is all about.
To answer this question, I'd like to tell a little story. The first two Blackcam Systems we actually sold to the US, were sold to the band Incubus for the world tour a couple of years ago. So back then, Thomas, the founder of Blackcam, and Jan, the robotic engineer and CTO, and I flew to LA and brought the system to the band and helped them to set the system up while they were rehearsing at the Santa Monica Civic Center. So at some point, their tour manager came up to us and said, "You know, I hate those clowns on stage talking about the camera people who are usually on stage," and then pointed to our system and said, "But what I really love is this great German engineering." So in a way, this story pretty much sums up what Blackcam's system is about, or Blackcam systems are about. They can be used for concert recordings, TV and fashion shows, and sport broadcasts, etc., because they're unobtrusive, super compact. The tracks can be delivered straight or curved. They're customized at any length. Systems can be mounted overslung or underslung. They can be operated manually or fully automated, wireless or cabled. And all systems are pretty much inaudible, which makes them a perfect tool for classic concert recordings, for which our systems are very often used.
If you would, please tell us about the Blackcam product family.
The Blackcam product family consists of three different sizes, three different systems: B10, B20, B40. The B10 is like all the other models consist of dolly and remote head plus then tracks. And the B10 has the size of half a shoebox. It's basically hand luggage. You can carry it with you take it on the plane and then set up easily once you got out and are in production. There's two fully automated systems, actually as fixed installations, studio installations, one in a Berlin newsroom, another one in a studio home shop in Europe channel in Munich. The B10 system carries camera models like Ikegami, Zinacam and ActionCam. A B10 was actually used by DP Anthony Mantel for Oliver Stone's movie Snowden for moving shots from the ceiling. The second model we have is the B20, which has the size of a shoebox, so double the size of the B10, mainly being used for concert recordings. And within these concert recordings we have a very unique setup, meaning a 360-degree circle around the drum set, which all directors love to use. One of them was Paul Dugdale for a concert recording of the band Coldplay. So the camera basically flies around the drummer and delivers images no handheld camera can actually do, because the B20 is so unobtrusive, there's no person on stage. And that's why it's being used very often, and directors really love to work with this setup. Just a few months ago, we actually launched a new B20, which was especially designed for DSLR cameras. And yeah, the tracks have a width of 30 centimeters, which means they fit perfectly onto the worldwide standard truss size. And that makes them easy to install at any stadium or venue worldwide. So the third system we have is the B40, which is about twice the size of the B20, so still very small. And that carries common box cameras like the Sony P1 or Arri Alexa and the like. The dolly also fits on the 30 centimeter wide tracks, which makes it easily mounted onto the truss and easily to be integrated into concert venues and so on. So the B40 systems are actually being used internationally for TV shows like X Factor and The Voice, but also for broadcast of sports and fashion events. Regarding the sports, for example, this last year and this year, the B40 has been provided by our New York City partners, All Mobile Video, for the college basketball championships, NCAA. And in fact, this year, this system was nominated for a Sports Emmy as NCAA Railcam because of the dynamic images it delivered, running alongside parallel to the basketball field with a dolly underneath the stage. So all you could actually see was the remote head with the camera, which made it even less obtrusive than it already is. So, and this is one of our specialties, stage integration, and we really would like to and do work together with stage designers from the very beginning, stage designers like Florian Bieder, in order to provide unforeseen visual possibilities.
Okay, so now let's talk about some recent Blackcam news and what will be shared at IBC.
So, our crew just left Rio de Janeiro, where we had several systems in use during the last 3 weeks, and the crew is now on the way to New York City for the next project, namely the MTV Video Music Awards, where we will have a B40 shooting front stage images directed by Hamish Hamilton, and then of course we will exhibit at IBC together with Avid at the Avid booth in cooperation with Avid, and you can find us at their booth. It's booth J.20 in Hall 7. By the way, I'd like to take a chance to say hi to our friends at Avid, Haim, Steph and Crystal. Thank you guys. And yeah, there you can experience our augmented reality installation. And then of course, we're super excited about the release of Oliver Stone's new movie Snowden in September, and to finally see the B10 moving shots on the big screen in the cinemas.
Again, Nina Berfelde of Blackcam, thanks so much for being with us. We're going to see you at IBC show, Hall 7, stand J20.
Thanks, Ryan. See you soon. Bye-bye.